Hi friends, it's Petra here with another HipKit Club video, and today I'm focusing on those gorgeous die cuts, the tags. And I am using the cardstock kit and the gorgeous layered flower die cut, and I'm using the color kit and the embellishment kit. So it's a lot of kits that I've used today. And I have die cut the flowers already, and when I create such flowers I always die cut them in two complementing colors so I can mix them up. So I'm layering my photo with the leftover cardstock from the cardstock kit that I used for the flowers. So it's a win-win situation here. And I'm layering it with a yellow and an orange because that way the backing of your photo always matches the colors of your layout. So that's always my way to go. And as you see, I've already collected the labels or tags or how you want to call them from the embellishment kit. And I love labels, I love tags, and they are so versatile. You can use them in your planner, you can use them in your storyline chapters, you can use them in your layouts, and I am using them as the base of my layout. I'm not using them for any journaling, I'm simply using them as embellishments and as the focus point of my layout. So I'm creating this cluster around my photo, and as you know, I like to create the entire layout piece, as you may call it, glue it all together and then start doing the mixed media background. So I have laid them all down, but I haven't glued them down yet. So now I'm disassembling the flowers. And as you see, I've created them from the orange and the yellow cardstock, and I've cut out all those twigs and leaves from the green cardstock, and I'm simply mixing them up. And with this set you can create all kinds of different flowers. You can choose not to use those spriggy hearts, or how do you call it? You can make small flowers, you can make medium-sized flowers. I created the large ones and small ones. They are tiny hearts, they're tiny berries that you can use. So it's really the most versatile set you can imagine. So bit by bit I am gluing everything down together, so sticking it on the photo and gluing things underneath the already stuck down labels, and that way I'm creating that entire centerpiece. And I'm not using all the twigs and leaves that I've cut down, but I'm simply going to save them. You could also use them on cards. They would be, it's a great set to make cards. So now that everything is glued down together, I am marking the spot where that centerpiece is, and that way I know where to put my mixed media. And the stencil, the lemon stencil in the color kit is really a favorite of mine, and I'm using the squeezed lemonade oxide that comes with the color kit to create that background. And since I've marked the spot where that centerpiece will come, you are always in the right place to create your background. So I'm also using the Project Life stamp set. It has these amazing sentiments, so I wanted to incorporate that in my layout, and I also wanted to have a bit of black. And I am using the yellow oxide for that so sweet phrase, and it just gives a bit more interest, and it's something else for a change. So time to stick everything down, and I'm using my foam tape. Usually I have foam sheets, but this time I thought it would be easier to have little pieces here and there. And I will be finishing everything off with the tiny puffy stickers. And they are so cute and gorgeous. I say that about everything. I'm sorry, but it is. It is cute and gorgeous. So when I'm done with sticking all the puffy stickers down, it's time to do some splattering. And as you know, I have been packing for a move, and I was a bit too enthusiastic, so I packed everything. So I simply cut up a plastic bag to use as a craft sheet. There was a bit of orange left in my brush, but I didn't mind because I also had orange in my layout, so it was the perfect mix. And I'm simply watering down that oxide and start splattering with a small brush so you get some small splatters. And that's it. So I hope you like it. I hope you got some inspiration out of it, as I say. And hope to see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Check out all the links below in the description. Check out the perks you have with subscribing with the HipKit. And please check in again. Thanks so much. Bye bye.